Assalamu alaikum, I am Varda Khalid and today we are going to study mumps and measles virus. Mumps virus. This virus belongs to family Paramyxoviruses. It causes mumps disease. It is a non-segmented enveloped RNA containing virus. It has 12 genotypes. It is rapidly inactivated by chemical agents, heat and ultraviolet light. It spreads through saliva and can infect many parts of the body, especially the parotid and salivary glands. In the cases of mumps, parotid glands typically swell and become painful. The most cases of mumps are 5 to 14 years, but few adult cases are seen. मम्प्स इन्फेक्शन आर अनकॉमन इन यंगर देन 1 ईयर. 1 साल से छोटे बच्चों को ज़्यादातर ये इन्फेक्शंस नहीं होती. एक दफ़ा मम्प्स का अटैक हो जाए तो पूरी लाइफ लॉन्ग प्रोटेक्शन वो दे देता है. हम इसकी पैथोजेनेसिस स्टडी करेंगे. द रेस्पिरेटरी ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ वायरस अकर. द इंक्यूबेशन पीरियड इज अबाउट 12 to 25 days. The replication occurs in the nasopharynx and regional lymph nodes that results in the viremia and spread to the tissues. The children usually recover from mumps in about 10 to 12 days. Now we will study its transmission. The mump virus is contagious and spread through sneezing, coughing or laughing. मैंने पहले भी आपको बताया कि रेस्पिरेटरी ट्रांसमिशन होती है इसमें. People who have mumps are most contagious from day 2 to before to 6 days after the symptoms appear. The virus can also spread from people who are infected but have no symptoms. Symptoms appear होने से 2 दिन पहले से लेके symptoms appear होने के 6 दिन बाद तक जो है वो ये वायरस जो है ये बहुत ज़्यादा contagious होता है. इसलिए जो people अभी symptoms नहीं भी शो कर रहे होते वो भी जो वायरस को इन्फेक्ट कर सकते हैं. Virus can also spread through direct contact by drinking glasses used by the infected person. Coming towards its signs and symptoms, the hallmark of mumps is swelling and pain in the parotid gland. The high fever of up to 103 degrees centigrade occur. Headache, nausea, vomiting and loss of appetite also occur. Only one side of parotid gland swell, but the both may be affected, with one side swelling a few days before the other. Mumps can lead to inflammation and swelling of the brain that causes encephalitis and meningitis. Mumps in adolescent and adult males may result in the testicular pain and swelling called orchitis, which subside after 3 to 7 days. Mumps may affect the pancreas or the ovaries in females, causing pain and tenderness in the part of the abdomen. About 20% of the infections are asymptomatic. The case of mump is shown in the figure with the swelled parotid gland. The most common complications are orchitis in the adult males, and the other rare complications include encephalitis and meningitis, orphoritis and mastitis in adult female, miscarriages, particularly in the early pregnancy, and deafness that is usually permanent. These are the rare complications. Coming toward the diagnosis, clinical expertise can diagnose the mump. That in laboratory serological IgG and IgM testing are available. PCR is also available. Mumps can be prevented by MMR vaccination. The MMR vaccine can be given to the child at 12 to 15 months of age, and the second dose is at 4 to 6 years of age. The next virus we will study is measles virus. Measles virus belongs to the family Paramyxoviruses. Its size is about 120 to 250 nanometer in diameter. It has envelope. It is single-stranded RNA containing virus with helical capsid symmetry. Coming towards the measles epidemiology, its reservoir is human. Transmission is respiratory airborne. Temporal pattern is peak in the late winter, and infectivity is 4 days before to the 4 days after the rash onset. Two types of measles are विच ईच ऑफ विच इज़ कॉज्ड बाय द डिफरेंट डिजीज। दो तरह के मीजल्स डिजीज होते हैं जो कि डिफरेंट वायरसेस से कॉज होती हैं। द फर्स्ट वन इज़ रूबियोला वायरस जो कि कॉज करता है रेड मीजल्स, जिसे कि हम लोग हार्ड मीजल्स और अकेला मीजल्स भी कहते हैं। द नेक्स्ट इज़ द रूबेला वायरस विच कॉजेज जर्मन मीजल्स, इसे हम लोग 3 डे मीजल्स भी कहते हैं और ये रेड मीजल्स से माइल्डर होती है। Coming towards its pathogenesis, the respiratory transmission of virus occur, एप्लीकेशन इसके नेजोफेरिंग्स एंड रीजनल लिम्फ नोड्स के अंदर होती है। द वेरीमिया occur 5 to 7 days after the exposure with spread to the tissue. The placenta and fetus infected during the viremia. Coming towards the symptoms, the rubella or called red measles or hard measles. First of all, we will study this measles. That is Ebola, red or hard measles. The incubation period is about 2 to 4 days. Symptoms include fever, cough, conjunctivitis, runny nose, loss of the appetite. The rash usually start on the face, spread to the trunk, then to the arms and the lungs. People with measles may develop small reddish spot on the inside of the cheek called Koplik spots. Red measles or hard measles is shown in the figure. Next is the rubella or German measles. German measles causes milder symptoms than red measles. The initial symptoms are fatigue, low-grade fever, headache or red eyes several days before the rash appears. These symptoms are more common in adults than in children. Swollen tender lymph nodes in the back of the neck also appears. The rash is light red to pink in color. It usually start on the face and move down to the trunk. The risk of transmission is highest in the early pregnancy. The virus may also cause miscarriage or stillbirth. Rubella measles is shown in the figure. The congenital rubella syndrome is the severe congenital syndrome that causes deafness, cataract, heart defects, microcephaly, mental retardation, bone alteration and liver and spleen damage in the infants. Coming towards its complication, it can lead to diarrhea 8%, otitis media 7%, pneumonia 6%, about 18% of the people infected person are hospitalized and death ratio is 0.2%. Coming towards its prevention, MMR vaccine is available. It will protect against both red measles and German measles. The first dose is at 12 to 15 months of age and the second dose is at 4 to 6 years of age. Thanks.